after other hospitals are at capacity. The challenge now is trying to hire staff as quickly as possible without face-to-face interviews.
We're able to do virtual career fairs and have groups of people meet with us at once and do question and answer sessions.
Senior HR Director Ann Segura Menent says the healthcare industry has been hit hard by the coronavirus. She says there are a lot of healthcare organizations that may not have staff working right now due to the pandemic.
So we're looking and hoping that those staff members will be able to come and help us take care of these patients at our Mid-City campus.
She says 35 positions have been filled since Sunday, with dozens more open.
Whatever medical personnel is out there that needs a job, we're looking to help them during this time of disaster.
Right now, the plan is to start with 90 beds. More could come online in the coming weeks. They just need the staff.
We have a place for you here until the place that you're currently at is able to take you back. We have a home for you.
Now, there are dozens of jobs available. I'm told there are at least 50 positions for registered nurses alone, several other positions open as well. You can find a list of those open positions by finding this story on our website, brproud.com. Live in Mid-City, Dion Guillory, NBC Local 33 News.
Dion, thank you. Tonight, Iberville Parish will enact a mandatory curfew that is a first for the parish in our viewing area since the coronavirus outbreak. NBC Local 33's Jonah Gilmore joins us live with details. Jonah.
Hey Kelly, now that curfew is on a dusk to dawn system, the parish president says it's necessary to provide safety for all of his residents. Now this curfew will be in effect for all cities in Iberville Parish. Parish President J. Mitchell also says this move will help reduce the spread of the coronavirus. He says all law enforcement agencies within the parish will strictly enforce this mandatory curfew order. According to that curfew, people who violate it could face a fine up to $500 or jail time. Iberville Sheriff Brett Stassi says while they're the first in the area to enact a curfew, they believe it's for the betterment of the parish.
It's not to hurt them, to where they can get whatever supplies they need, but they need to be home with their families. And if putting this in place helps that happen, and we can save some people's lives, it's worth the effort.
Now that curfew will begin tonight at 9 and go until 5 in the morning. Now that curfew will also be in effect until April 30th. Reporting live in Iberville Parish, Jonah Gilmore, NBC Local 33 News.
Jonah, thank you. Well, back here in Baton Rouge, a second suspicious fire at Broadmoor United Methodist Church within 2 days. Firefighters battled that blaze early this morning. It happened at an office space there at the church. Now, yesterday, another building on the church's campus went up in flames, but despite the fires, the church itself wasn't touched.
Coming through the roof of this building, which is the office building adjacent to the actual sanctuary. So the sanctuary is unharmed, but the office building pretty much is through the roof. It's a total loss, as we see.
Now, if you have any information about the fires, you're asked to call Crime Stoppers. That number 344-STOP. That's 344-7867. Well, coming up later tonight, see how baseball coach Paul Maneri is handling not having a season and not being able to be around his players. We'll have his interview a little later in your Go Nation Sports Report.
Plus, see how teachers at one Baton Rouge school is visiting their students while practicing social distancing. You're watching NBC Local 33 News at 5.
Well, today, Capital Elementary School employees, along with the East Baton Rouge Parish Sheriff's Office, visited with some students while also practicing social distancing. They held a We Miss You parade today to send students a little bit of encouragement during the stay-at-home order that has forced schools to close down. Now, teachers drove through a neighborhood saying hi and waving to students. Similar parades have been happening all over. They're being held for birthday celebrations and other occasions. The goal, of course, is to help maintain some sense of normalcy while also practicing social distancing.
With local restaurants struggling to make ends meet through the governor's stay-at-home order, we want to make it easier for you to help out your local favorite eateries through this outbreak. So we've partnered with Coca-Cola to bring you Keep Calm and Carry Out. It's an interactive map of restaurants open for delivery and takeout in the capital city. You can find a link to the site on our homepage. That's brproud.com. All right, let's get a check with Jesse Gunkel for our weather.
Yeah, as you take a look at the big traffic report out there, it's nice and quiet. Things are looking good eastbound and westbound at this point. As you see here, again, no major backups or delays. And I've kind of combed the entire capital area. It is very quiet out there. So please, again, just stay off the roadways if at all possible. This traffic has been sponsored by Peyton Murphy at the Murphy Law Firm. Well, here you go. Big picture. Going into the weekend, you'll notice again a little bit of early sunshine, but those clouds will quickly return. And we'll have a nice warm one tomorrow afternoon as we top out in the upper 70s and lower 80s. We're eventually going to get back to some of that humidity, and overall it's actually going to become more of a late spring summer pattern as we step into next week. We'll talk more about that after the break.
And now, your Storm Tracker team forecast with Jesse Gunkel.
Welcome back. Well, if you plan out your night, obviously we're going to have a pretty decent one out there. We've got a few clouds now. Expect those clouds to pass through, maybe even the chance for a very light shower, but that's mainly going to be for our far western parishes at this point. Again, mainly right across that Texas-Louisiana line, as there are storms currently sitting just across the Austin area. But for us, again, a nice mild start. We'll start out with those temperatures in the upper 50s and lower 60s. Notice again, we fell into that medium-high category today, but we're going to jump back into the high category as we move forward. Keeping an eye on this front out west, and as you notice, temperatures are really dropping off across northwestern portions of Texas and Oklahoma. A couple of storms around the Austin area, but a lot of that's just going to fade by the time it reaches to us, because it doesn't look like that front's going to push through. It's going to get close, still keep us on the warm side of the system, and yes, a very humid picture moving forward. So watch your futurecast. There is that chance by early morning between midnight and 4 that we could see a very light shower across the board, a couple clouds out there. By the time we head into Saturday, maybe 1 or 2 passing thunderstorms, but nothing really expected to be widespread. So again, Saturday night, early Sunday, the chance for a shower. Look for a better opportunity for some rain stepping into early next week, as we'll see some scattered off and on showers. So the big deal here is every day next week there is that daily threat that we could see an isolated thunderstorm or 2. Nothing expected to be substantial, obviously. And then as we continue to move forward out there, obviously it's going to be a very warm pattern, a little bit muggy for most of the next week, and our temperatures quickly return back above normal. We hit 80 this afternoon. Normal is 77, and as you see here, we started out at a comfortable 57. Right now it's 79 outside. We got our winds out of the east-southeast at about 8 miles per hour. Overall, as you take a look at your live tower cam, again, just a few clouds out there, not too bad. A lot of that sunshine has been rather filtered and actually making it feel a little bit more comfortable during those afternoon hours. Next 12 hours, we're going to drop our temperatures down into the upper 50s. Look for a few clouds heading into early morning. But obviously the story for tonight is we may see 1 or 2 showers, but most of that will be on the other side of the Atchafalaya Basin. We're talking 59 out there, a couple clouds, winds out of the east. Tomorrow, 79 out there. Some areas could reach the lower 80s out there. Some filtered sunshine, mainly dry, warm, and mild. Remember that we have partnered up with iHeartRadio Baton Rouge to get your weather on the go. And here is that extended picture for you. Your first 3. 79 down to 60, continuing to warm up. Lower 80s for Palm Sunday, down to 63. 82 heading into your Monday. So really most of Holy Week at this point, temperatures will be sitting just a little bit above normal. Overnight lows extremely mild in the upper 60s, a couple storms, and then even moving into Good Friday, 84 out there, and looking kind of long range. It still looks like we may even have the possibility of some rain heading into your Easter Sunday. So again, just kind of keep an eye on the radar over the next couple days. Check your blood pressure, obviously very important during these times. Carly?
All right, Jesse, thank you. Well, coming up today would have been Pro Day at LSU. How former LSU quarterback Joe Burrow is reflecting on the moment. That's coming up in your Go Nation Sports Report.
Now, sports with Jared Joseph.
Today was supposed to be the College Football National Champions Pro Day as the LSU Tigers prepared for the upcoming NFL Draft. And unfortunately, the Pro Day was, of course, canceled due to the coronavirus. And former LSU quarterback Joe Burrow posted his thoughts on Twitter. Today would have been our Pro Day, a day I have been looking forward to for a long time, and the last time the 2019-2020 LSU Tigers competed together. I miss my guys. And the Tigers, of course, had the most players invited to the NFL Combine. LSU baseball, of course, is also dealing with the lack of sports activities, COVID-19 causing multiple places to shut down, including gyms and training facilities. And during his presser on Thursday, head coach Paul Maneri highlighted how difficult it is for his players to stay active at this time.
Up to them, because a lot of them, in all honesty, are finding it difficult to find places even to work out. I've talked to several of our players that just don't have facilities to go to. You know, all these workout complexes are closed. You know, I was talking to Saul Garza this morning. He and his father are putting up a makeshift batting cage in their backyard just so he can swing the bat some. You know, you hate to encourage them or try to tell them that they should be doing something when they don't even have facilities that they can utilize to do the things that they would need to do. We have all of our players scheduled to go play in the summer, but we don't even know if there's going to be collegiate summer leagues yet.
Well, that's a look at your sports. We'll be right back.
Tonight from the front lines, a close look at why ventilators are so critical for COVID patients. Also, he was a lifeline for his New Orleans community after Katrina, now helping it weather a pandemic. When we see you back here tonight.
Welcome back. Well, here you go. First of all, we've got a pretty decent night. We'll see a couple clouds increase by early morning with even the chance for a light shower, but most of that will happen while you're sleeping. Tomorrow, good mixture of sun and clouds with a few more clouds by the afternoon, even the chance for a shower mainly Saturday night and early on Sunday. Again, a nice mild day as our temperatures quickly jump above normal. We're talking highs in the 80s Sunday and Monday at this point, some scattered storms, so a little better opportunity for some afternoon showers Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. But it does look like we fall kind of back into a little bit of a drier pattern by the time we head into next week. So again, everything is good. It's just very mild and very warm, but still there should be the potential enough time for us to enjoy it outside.
All right, Jesse, thanks. Well, coming up tonight on NBC Local 33, you can catch Entertainment Tonight starting at 6:30. The Blacklist starts at 7, then Dateline at 8, and we are back with more news, weather, and sports tonight at 10. Well, thank you all so much for joining us tonight. Be sure to catch NBC Nightly News with Lester Holt coming up next.
We are back in 30 minutes for NBC Local 33 News at 6. Until then, visit our website, brproud.com, for continuous news, weather, and sports updates. Good night.
Coming up, the latest from Governor John Bel Edwards on the continuous spike in COVID-19 cases here in the state.
And the challenge Baton Rouge General is facing as the number of coronavirus cases in the capital city continue to climb.
Good evening, I'm Carly Lang.
And I'm Kelly Brown. Thank you for joining us for Fox 44 News at 5:30. Here is the latest news on Louisiana's coronavirus pandemic. According to the Department of Health, there are now a total of 370 deaths in the state, 60 more than yesterday. The LDH is also reporting the state now has more than 10,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19.
In East Baton Rouge Parish, the coroner's office is reporting 2 new deaths. An 82-year-old and a 71-year-old. We're told both have underlying health conditions. Iberville Parish is also now issuing a curfew that starts at 9 and will continue until 5 in the morning. Over in Ascension Parish, 2 sheriff's deputies have tested positive for coronavirus.
Today, Governor John Bel Edwards says though the COVID-19 case count wasn't as drastic as the numbers we saw yesterday, they are still very concerning.
Fox 44's Kennedy Walker has more on the governor's news conference.
Governor Edwards says cell phone data is showing not enough people are complying with the stay-at-home order. However, he says a good rate of compliance is in Orleans, Jefferson, and Bossier, but not in many other parishes. He says he needs more people to take this seriously.
This is really serious. We're doing this every way that we can to try to get the attention people to get more compliance so that we get the lowest transmission rate possible.
Governor Edwards says anyone who wants to get updated text messages about the coronavirus should text 67283. Reporting in Baton Rouge, Kennedy Walker.
And speaking of getting updates, the city parish is launching a new hotline for Baton Rouge residents who want to keep up with COVID-19. Fox 44's Kara St. Cyr has details on how you can sign up and what to expect.
The number of COVID-19 cases in this state climbed to more than 10,000 this week. But as those numbers soar statewide, Mayor Sharon Weston Broome reminded Baton Rouge there's still hope.
We have data showing that along with Orleans, Jefferson, and Bossier parishes, East Baton Rouge Parish demonstrates the most compliance with the stay-at-home orders.
In a news conference Friday morning, she not only reminded the city that there's light at the end of this tunnel, but there's support too. The people in EBR Parish will now be able to get COVID-19 text alerts using a hotline the mayor's office designed.
Citizens can text the words "Red Stick Ready" to the number 225-243-9991.
The hotline is specifically for East Baton Rouge Parish, and it'll give updates not only on coronavirus, but weather and any other critical information. All Baton Rouge residents have to do is send the Red Stick Ready text and wait.
We will get through this. Be the light for others in this time of temporary darkness.
Kara St. Cyr, Fox 44 News.
Now, the hotline has not yet sent out an official alert, but if you do text Red Stick Ready to that number, you will be signed up and you'll get those alerts as soon as they start sending them.
Now, Baton Rouge General Mid-City's emergency room is once again open for coronavirus patients. Fox 44's Dion Guillory is live at the hospital with what they say is the new challenge ahead.
Well, Baton Rouge General Mid-City is expecting its first coronavirus patients any minute now. This comes 5 years after the ER at this hospital was closed. The ER has since been reopened for those patients, but now they're trying to figure out how to staff it. In circumstance as Baton Rouge General Mid-City's emergency room is open again 5 years after it was closed. COVID-19 patients will come here after other hospitals are at capacity. The challenge now is trying to hire staff as quickly as possible without face-to-face interviews.
We're able to do virtual career fairs and have groups of people meet with us at once and do question and answer sessions.
Senior HR Director Ann Segura Manent says the healthcare industry has been hit hard by the coronavirus. She says there are a lot of healthcare organizations that may not have staff working right now due to the pandemic.
So we're looking and hoping that those staff members will be able to come and help us take care of these patients at our Mid-City campus.
She says 35 positions have been filled since Sunday, with dozens more open.
Whatever medical personnel is out there that needs a job, we're looking to help them during this time of disaster.
Right now, the plan is to start with 90 beds. More could come online in the coming weeks. They just need the staff.
We have a place for you here until the place that you're currently at is able to take you back. You know, we have a home for you.
Now, there are dozens of positions open. I was told at least 50 of those are for registered nurses. You can find the full list of those open positions by finding this story on our website, brproud.com.